Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you Lakme's eyeliner. So for it I have this is Lakme Insta Eyeliner and it says that it is water resistant eyeliner. So this is how it looks. So this is 9 ml and this is like jet black and this is for ₹90. So after opening this is how the wand looks and you just have to dip it in, and this is the wand of it. So it's like very thin, so you can make very nicely the eyeliner will apply very nicely with it. So here I have the swatch of the eyeliner and it's pretty smooth. You can see it has applied very nicely and it is very nice, and the pigmentation is also quite good, and Lakme is a very nice trusted brand, so I think you can buy this because it's super inexpensive and the liner has glided on very easily. So you can see out my hand. So this is very pigmented and it's like gel black. If you are going for inexpensive than this, then you can also buy Blue Heavens one. It will cost you ₹30. So that's Blue Heavens eyeliner. It will cost you ₹30. So if you want to try that, you can also buy that one. So thank you for watching my video, and if you like it then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.